What is tokenization in digital payments?
Tokenization is a security process used in digital payments. Instead of sending your real credit card number through online or mobile payment systems, a random code called a token is generated and used for the transaction. This helps keep your sensitive payment information safe from hackers and data breaches.
How does tokenization actually work?
When you make a digital payment, the payment system asks a secure server to create a token. This token acts as a stand-in for your actual card details. Only the payment processor can match the token to your real account, making it much harder for criminals to access your information.
Why is tokenization safer than traditional methods?
In traditional payments, your real card number might be stored or transmitted, increasing risk. But with tokenization, even if a token is stolen, it's useless outside its intended transaction or device. This reduces fraud and helps prevent your financial data from being leaked in the event of a cyber attack.
Where's tokenization used?
Tokenization is widely used in mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, e-commerce payments, and even at in-store terminals. Every time you add your card to a digital wallet or tap to pay, your real details are hidden by a token, enhancing your security across different payment methods.
The benefits of tokenization for you?
Tokenization makes digital payments safer and more convenient. You can shop online or tap to pay without worrying about exposing your card details. Plus, even merchants never see your actual card number, greatly reducing the risk if their systems are compromised. Tokenization is key to building trust in digital transactions.